1976 Triumph TR6. Beautiful car. Had a pretty nice ground up restoration. Was not a frame off restoration, but the car has had a frame on restoration. Was done very nicely. Car presents itself very well. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. This car has a stack of receipts to go with it. Everything is pretty much new on this car, from the clutch to the top. It has a new tonneau cover. This car is very, very nice, drives excellent. It's been completely gone through. Runs and drives excellent. The body's super straight on it. It's not rusty at all. This car is not concourse quality, but it is very nice. You could definitely take home a trophy at your local show. Body's pretty nice on this car. The paint shines beautifully. Very nice car. Runs and drives great. New clutch, like I said. Brakes have been done. The chrome is in pretty good shape. It's not a 10, it's probably an 8. Car's very nice. Runs and drives great, like I said. Starts right up. Clean title. Nice undercarriage. The floors are in good shape. Trunk pan's in good shape. Car's been completely gone through. Interior is nice. Seats and carpet are in nice shape. Beautiful red on black. The dash is in good shape. It has been redone, but it's in nice shape. It's done in the correct veneer. Very nice car. Top's like new. Got a brand new tonneau cover that goes up over it when it's parked. There's a bunch of parts here in the trunk. Show you. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. The trunk's in nice shape. Got some extra parts that go with it. The bumperettes, an extra grille, some weather stripping. The previous owner was a Triumph collector, and he knew how to work on these cars, and he babied these cars. So this car has all the correct VIN tags. VIN tags here. The VIN tag is available under the hood. I'll show you under the hood. Car's very nice. It's very nice and clean under the hood. Chrome valve covers. Very nice, presentable car. The body's super nice, shines beautifully. Tires are brand new. Look at the paint. The paint shines beautifully on this car. Very nice. Very nice car. It runs and drives well. The engine compartment is very nice and clean. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. We are happy to help at any time. This car shines beautifully. No stories whatsoever. It's a real beauty. Go ahead and put the top up here and show you. Looks like with the top up. The top is like new. No holes. Fresh top. Very nice car. I'm going to tighten that here. Everything works and runs the way it's supposed to. Very, very nice car. Underneath is good. It does have the upgraded exhaust. The car sounds real nice. Go ahead and start it up for you. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. See, the car starts right up without a fail. Just starting to rain here, so we got this top just in time. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com. Thank you.